What's going on, everybody? My name is Edwin. I'm an accurate technician, and today we're going to be replacing an alternator. Yeah. But before we start this video, I'm going to ask you guys for a favor. Can you smash the like button? For every like this video gets, my dog is going to get some nice pats on the head. So please, love my dog. Thank you. Let's get this video started. That's out. I got to replace the battery anyway, so.
Chick Rachel, she liked that fuel pump recall.
Did she?
Yeah. Nice. You know, screw this shit. No.
Mute all this and just put music over it.
Actually, no, we could probably leave this because that's not even how you spell my name.
That's a lot of work, so I'm just gonna cut that part out.
Yeah, just blur my face. You could probably leave the name because it's not even how you spell my name.
Alright.
With all this stuff out of the way, locate your dry belt tensioner, which is that guy right down there. And what you're gonna do is put a 14mm wrench or a special tool, which I'm about to show you. Put it on, put it right on there, at the AC line, right there, and you're going to push the dry belt towards the back of the car. This will loosen up the tension on the dry belt, and then you'll be able to take the dry belt off the alternator.
Alright, so now that we have the power steering reservoir out of the way, we're not making a mess, we're probably gonna want to double up on wrenches just to get the right amount of leverage to pull
Or push
the auto tensioner out of the way. But I got this fancy special little tool. Nice and yeah, let's not go there. Take this back off. Now that we have the dry belt off the alternator, all we have to do now is unbolt the alternator. And to do that, you're gonna have two 12s on this side of the alternator, and you're gonna have a 14 in the bottom. I believe it's a 14.
And it is a tight fit, but you can sneak it out of that little entrance hole work area. It's gonna come out through the front of the engine, don't worry about it.
Now that I'm thinking about it, I should probably disconnect the power cable coming off of the alternator itself and the connector. It's on there. Bye, camera. Bye, good luck. And take this 12mm bolt off the alternator.
So yeah, just to recap, you just have to remove the 12mm bolt that's holding that positive cable to the alternator itself. Remove the 10mm fastener holding the wire harness to the alternator bracket. Disconnect the connector going to the alternator. And then everything that's connected to the alternator should now be disconnected.
There we go.
Not gonna lie, sometimes you have to manhandle these alternators to get out of the brackets. And yeah, there's nothing else you really can do.
Alright, now we're putting a new alternator in. And hopefully that bushing down there hasn't moved out.
I just realized as I'm editing this video that I have no footage of me yanking out this alternator from this car. And now I feel so dumb that I spent an hour and a half doing this alternator. And one of the most important parts that I was supposed to record, I just forgot to hit record.
Really good.
All we're seeing here is the alternator charging the battery, And as you can see, it's sitting at a nice healthy 14 volts. Before it was only getting up to 12 volts with while fully loaded. So that's how you can check to see if your alternator is charging or not. Again, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you tune in next time. See ya.